AirTags communicate through various sounds and alerts. When you first pair an AirTag with your device, it emits a confirmation chime to let you know the connection was successful. When you mark an AirTag as lost through the Find My app, it can emit a continuous sound to help others locate and return your item. This feature is especially useful for items left in public places. If an AirTag is separated from its owner for an extended period and starts moving with someone else, it will emit a separation alert. This anti-stalking feature protects people from unwanted tracking. When an AirTag's battery is running low, it emits periodic beeps to alert you that it needs a battery replacement. This ensures your tracking device remains functional. You can manually trigger a sound from your AirTag using the Find My app. This play sound feature helps you locate your item when it's nearby, but out of sight. These 5 types of sounds make AirTags both helpful for finding lost items and protective against misuse. Each alert serves a specific purpose in the AirTag ecosystem. Apple has implemented several anti-stalking features to protect users from unwanted tracking. The most important is automatic tracking notifications for iPhone users. AirTags also emit audible alerts when separated from their owner for a certain time and then moved. This sound helps alert anyone who might unknowingly be carrying someone else's AirTag. Android users aren't left out of these safety features. Apple created the Tracker Detect app, available on the Google Play Store, which allows Android users to manually scan for nearby AirTags that might be tracking them. iPhone users can customize their tracking notification settings to control how and when they receive alerts about unknown AirTags. These settings can be found in the Find My app within your iPhone settings. Despite these safety measures, privacy concerns persist about potential misuse of AirTags for stalking. The upcoming AirTag 2 is expected to address these concerns with enhanced anti-stalking features, including a speaker that's much more difficult to remove.